Alright, good morning, folks. It has been a while since I've done a video, but I've just been super busy with school. The kids got birthdays coming up, so I haven't really had time to go ahead and play with the car. And most importantly, I just haven't been running into any like issues or personal repairs that I gotta replace in terms of fixing these cars. So I haven't really been doing much in terms of content, but I got some content for you guys today. My neighbor, he's got an old school 2001, I believe it's an EX or an LX, and he's having some issues with some misfiring, and he's got a check engine light throwing a 1362, I think. Don't quote me on it, but it's a camshaft position sensor. And so pretty much today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a cam position sensor on a 2001 Honda Civic. It's quite simple. The job that it entails is just a valve cover gasket, pulling off the upper cover for the cam and the timing belt. We're gonna have 3 bolts, one there, one here, and then one right there. It's in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. And then we're gonna pull that off and pull off this rubber sensor right here, replace it, and it should be good to go. Now, if you guys are having misfiring issues and bad stuttering, some of the symptoms of this would be obviously the code. Says it's at an improper angle, but the car was running great before that, so odds that it jumped a tooth or kick timing is probably just not in your best interest in terms of repairs, because that's likely that it doesn't happen unless someone was fucking with it and has a loose tensioner or something. That's really the only way that belt's really like jump a tooth. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead, take out the old one, replace it. First things first, we're gonna do a valve cover. What you're gonna do is hit these 10 mils, pull off the coil packs, unplug the coil packs, pull this cover. Well, obviously you got to pull this cover off first, so twist them, and take off some of the vacuum lines, some of the brackets, and then go around and hit the valve cover bolt, pull that off, and then you can pull off the cam cover. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys, okay?
I shouldn't have parked so close to my toolbox. Just so you guys know, don't worry about which order the coil packs go, they're all interchangeable. You may have to pull the sensor right here for this plug. Pretty simple. Coil packs are great. Pinky. Alright, pinky. These are still good. I pull that vacuum line off. Go Go ahead and grab some pliers. Scoop this motherfucker back. We might have to loosen up the gearbox. Or the airbox, excuse me. There's a 10 mil down here for a bracket.
Well, we got that out of the way. Now it's time for the 3 bolts. There's gonna be one right there, one right here, and then one right in there. It's kind of dark, but can't miss it. All right, so we got the cam cover off, the valve cover off, cam cover off, and the camshaft sensor. Yes. Oh shit! Is this motherfucker right here? It's held in. You see that? That sensor right here. It's held in by one 10mm bolt. We go ahead and pull that out and replace it. So you know, this is what the sensor looks like. It's not uncommon for these to go bad. Pretty simple. They're also known as a top dead center sensor, but I don't really know who calls them that. But yeah, camshaft top dead center sensor. Sometimes there's intake sensors, sometimes there's out exhaust shaft sensors, and you know, it really depends on the car and what they choose to call it. And then the part number, there you go. Sorry, it's kind of blurry, but yeah, that's what it is. Now everything just goes back the way it is. Valve or the cam cover first, then do your valve cover, change the seals. As a matter of fact, I'll show you how to change the seals, but for now just put that stuff back together. All right, just like any other valve cover, you're gonna have the main gasket that goes all the way around. Then you're gonna have your rubber grommets, which are right there, there, and yeah, you just replace those. Make sure you wipe down the edges before placing your new gasket, and you're good to go. Just throw that gasket back on there, and pretty simple. And that's how you change your TDC sensor or your camshaft position sensor. All right, you guys, if you love this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.